Hi guys, today I'll be Planespotting on the plane. Alright, the plane is coming down. Oh, where's the plane? I need to go lower, bro. This is just the second floor. Oh, where's it? Where's it? I can't see it because I blocked. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Gone there, some camera, bro. Okay. There we go. Definitely need a picture. It's not a Neo, it's a current engine option.
OK stop 咯。
That's it,
你睇唔到咗嘅，係遮住咗喺度，喺嗰度你睇唔到咗嘅你。
Well, I see the plane, I see the plane, I see the plane, bro. The A250 seal. Except for a curtain. It's just a normal air shell every. Why? Oh, this is. The registration's not in AFB. Okay, it's not like it's not the gate at all. They've been assigned the pool. That's my favorite variant of the 1800, bro. No, the ringlet. Alright. We just showed. So I must survive that then. I'm too already, bro. Alright, they're rolling. Big respect to the brown crew. Alright. Our first plane of the day on Air Asia.
聽未啊？啊
Not just got another one.
？No another one 哦，冇 plan 嚟咯。
Len. Okay.
No 話生，no plan 嚟，no
Stop wrong. Check.
冇晒咗。
Check.
要 wait 1個鐘頭先有飛機嚟。你退啦。
Okay. I love to absolutely mesmerize boots. Another one and door's just open. Door just open, and now that door. We're going to open it with the stairs. And the stairs is connected. If y'all don't know about it, alright, that's the end of our Planespotting video. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.